All right, Mox and Marty's latest creation.
All right.
Shut up.
Go.
Creation in the whole universe.
Okay.
And
It's all separate.
Lots of animals
Sensei is in the water.
and blankets and
And all sorts of stuff. And we built it. I helped Marty a little bit.
And also introducing special moms. He's a good girl.
And we have all of Marty's stuffed animals down at the bottom, except for his puffin. I let him go up here by my puffin. And all my stuffed animals on the couch, except for this puffin. It's Marty's, but I let him.
all right,
And also,
looking good.
1 second, I'll go get my phone. And also, wait till I get my phone.
All right, hurry up, Mart.
Well, and I have 2 buffaloes right here. I'll move the white bird up.
Yeah.
And my dog swallowed with the pillow. Another 2 buffaloes.
Yep.
And my little baby there.
Mm-hmm.
Little leopard here. And here I have the buffalo.
Mm-hmm.
And I have Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh. Yeah.
I got my pillows.
And I have Zebra the zebra. And let's see. I've got
Marty, why'd you bring your pillows?
Because
And I've got Moose the Moo. All these guys' names are Moo. Moo 1, Moo 2, Moo 3.
and also look at my little baby.
It's got a baby.
All right, guys, looks pretty good. Good pictures. Awesome.